Don't you guys wonder what happened with the Fjällräven Polar thing? That's what we're gonna talk about today. I don't really know where to start, so let's just start where it started. And I'm in Amsterdam. Okay, so long story short, I got a mail on Sunday asking if I wanted to come here and present the event of the Polar winners. I thought about it for a millisecond and then I said, yeah, of course, that would be awesome. I was supposed to work, but yeah, you know, at that time it was a big maybe. And then on Tuesday it got confirmed. It is now Thursday and I'm in Amsterdam and the event is tomorrow. I'm super nervous about it and of course at the same time really excited. So doing that was one of the most scariest things I've ever done, and I've done quite a few scary things, but that was insane. It's one thing to sit at home and look at it, but it's really a different thing when you're there. I enjoyed every single minute of it. I enjoy being outside of my comfort zone. But at the same time it's really scary. So what you guys missed, if you weren't there, I know Victor
Marine is from Belgium.
He was there. He came up to me afterwards and he told me that he's never seen me that nervous before, and he was really correct about that. So we're standing there, everything is live and everything is rolling, the camera's rolling, everybody's watching live at home. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I find out in the morning of the event that, there's also going to be like 100 people at that location in Amsterdam. So I was like, oh, okay, I had no idea. At least not beforehand. So, but I signed up for it and I was like, yeah, well, I'm gonna do it. And anyways, we're standing there, the camera is rolling, everything is live, and I'm just beginning the intro, and then as you see now in this clip, we're live here at the Fjällraven Brand Center in Amsterdam. The camera cuts, but what actually happened there is that I'm standing there and everything just turns completely black for me. It's, you know, when you're, I don't know, nervous or however you want to describe it, when that happens, everything just turns black. What? You need to go to the bathroom? Okay, do it. So I'm standing there and I'm starting to tell where we are and giving the introduction of what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna tell everyone that yeah, we're here and we're gonna introduce the winners for the Fjällräven Polar. I'm about to say expedition, but that's when everything turns black and I'm like and I don't know what I'm gonna say. It's just black and it feels like it's an eternity, of course. It was, I think, in real time, I think it was maybe like 10 seconds or so. And again, everything is live and the people are downstairs, and it just ends with me asking the crowd. Luckily, they came in and saved me. I was like, what's the word? And everybody's like, yeah, it's expedition. And then, yeah, and the camera cuts, and that's where I'm saying the next thing. Perfect entrance by a not so nervous person, as you can tell. My name is Ted. I also applied for the Fjällräven Polar Expedition this year, but Fjällräven asked if I wanted to come here and present to you guys the winners by the jury, and pretty much here we are. And after that, I think it went pretty well. I've never done anything like that before. It's one thing to be out in the woods just talking to the camera like this, but it's another thing to having to perform like that in front of a crowd, especially when everybody's watching, and there was a lot of pressure that I've built up for myself. Obviously, there's just not, I mean, people wanted me to do well and I wanted to do well, and you know, you want to show everybody that you're happy to be there, and it was just, yeah, I was super excited about it, but it was, yeah, a really good time. Really scary and yeah, definitely something new, but I, yeah, really enjoyed that. And then the sort of show goes along, and we start to read out the names, and I get very excited because I see a person who I've met before. Now we continue in Asia, and we continue through Asia Pacific, and there the winner is
Heidi Rosman
and Hadi from Singapore.
From Singapore. Big congratulations, Hadi. So he's going, and I read his name, and I'm very happy about that. We met in the last year's Fjällraven Classic. Super nice guy. So it was incredible for me to
to be able just to read his name and just share that joy with him. And I know he's so happy to be able to go. He's could not have been a better winner for the jury decisions. That was super cool. And then I don't know if it was before or after Hadi, a guy who when I was doing the sort of the videos and the sort of vlogs that didn't go that well, I guess. There was another guy named
Bernard Pichal.
From Belgium.
He also made like a rap video, and he mentions my name there. And to me, I think that's super cool. So I see his name and read that out as well, and that was again an awesome experience, an awesome feeling. Just to just felt like that's the person who should win, not because he made a rap video and mentions my name, but I don't know. I thought it was cool, and he really put an effort into the application as well. So really cool to be able to meet those guys again, or meet Bern for the first time. Really looking forward to that. Did I spoil it now when I said I'm gonna meet them? Maybe I did. So I'm going as well. I don't know. I told you it's gonna be a good year. This is I'm nervous because I don't know, it's gonna be extreme. I'm been really excited about this for a long time. I'm really happy that I can share it with you guys, and I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I just hope everything's gonna go well and that we're gonna have an awesome time. I think the crew that they choose, or the people that are going, I think is a really nice group of people. Been able to speak to some of them, and everybody's just really down to earth, and it's just gonna be an awesome time. But the reason that I wanted to make this video is to give a serenade you guys, give you guys the biggest thanks. I don't know if you remember back when I was doing the sort of vlog things that I mentioned, that all the little likes, all the comments, all the views, everything counts. Everything still matters. Everything that you comment, everything that you like, or everything that you share still matters. Even if you don't have Facebook, I don't know what you guys use. If you have Instagram, you can share the link there. If you just tell a friend, that still matters, because that friend might have Facebook or Instagram or whatever. And it really did. It turned out that it really did. So this is a big thanks to you who's at home watching a lot of my stuff, commenting, giving likes, and asking questions and all those things, and being really involved with the channel. Thank you. You were the one who made this happen for me. I got no words for that. It's just I'm in awe. It's amazing. I mean, I'm at my third year of doing YouTube videos. It's been a very steep learning curve, and there is no right or wrong here. It's just moving forward one way or the other, or I don't know, quitting. And so far, this has been an amazing experience, and being able to do this now, to go on the Fjällräven Polar EXPEDITIon is it's just beyond everything. It's insane. So again, I know if you've commented on a lot of the videos and you've been around for a while, I think you guys know who you are. There's a selected few who comment on a lot of the videos, and you've really been a great support in good times and bad. We've really got to know each other beyond YouTube as well. So I think you guys know who you are. Big thanks to you guys. I don't think that I won a spot in the Fjällräven Polar doing the sort of the videos that we did now. I think a lot of that comes from the years behind, where we did reviews, and I got your feedback and comments, and again, I think following me for a long time and helping out and all those things, that's what built up and led up to me being able to go in the end. So thank you for the years that you guys stuck with me. I'm gonna do my best, obviously, to capture and film as much as I can on the adventure itself, it's gonna be around 20, maybe 30 degrees Celsius minus. So it's gonna be really cold. So we'll see what we do with the batteries, but I think we'll be fine. I will talk to Abbe and see if we can, I don't know, steal a drone or at least bring a bunch of batteries, so we can make an awesome experience about it and show you guys. Obviously, we're gonna I think I'll do a preparation video, how I prepare for that sort of adventure, and then obviously we're gonna film a lot when we get there as well, and all the gear, and it's gonna be a lot of reviews. Like I said, it's gonna be a good year, a lot of reviews and all that stuff. So yeah, I think I covered it all now. That was the end of the live stream. Now many hours later, and the footage has been uploaded again, and wow, bunch of stuff. I'm still here in Amsterdam. I'm gonna go back to the hotel room and just try to relax as best I can, and yeah, then there's normal work for me tomorrow. All right, see you guys later.
Oh la la.